Hi guys, welcome to our online class. It's your favorite tutor, Mr. Kingsley. And now we have a question on the board. It says 3.725 divided by 0.25. Now how are we going to solve this? Well, we can start by writing 3.725 divided by 0.25. Now, to solve this, we'll have to change the numerator and the denominator to whole numbers. Now, how do we do this? Watch. We'll start with the numerator because it has 3 decimal places. Do you understand? We'll start with the number that has more decimal places. It doesn't matter if it is the numerator or the denominator. If the denominator has more decimal places more than the numerator, we'll start with the denominator, okay? When I say decimal places, I'm referring to the number after your decimal point. The numerator has 3 decimal places, 7, 2, 5, 3 numbers. The denominator has 2 decimal places, 2 and 5, 2 numbers. So since the numerator is having more decimal places, we'll start by first changing the numerator to whole number. Okay, so we move the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. The decimal point comes here. So it becomes 3, 7, 2, 5. All over. We move up 3 times. So we are going to do the same thing down. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And so we put a 0 there. That gives us 2, 5, 0. Okay. So with this, we can now easily divide the numbers using a factor that can divide both the denominator and the numerator. So we start. 5 in 250, that is 5 in 25, 5 and 5 in 0, 0. All over, okay, we go over to the numerator. 5 in 3,725, that is to say 5 in 37, that gives us 7, remainder 2 in 22, 4, remainder 2 in 25, 5. 5 can still divide. 5 in 50, that gives us 10. And 5 in 745, we say 5 in 7, 1, remainder 2 in 24, 4, remainder 4 in 45, 9. So we are having 1, 4, 9 over 10. Now, with our denominator being 10, it's very easy to convert our answer to a decimal number. How do we do this? Now, we strike this 0. Now, there's an invisible point here because we want to change this to decimal number. So, the invisible point behind the number is moved to the left once. And that gives us 14.9. So, 14.9 is our answer. I hope you find it very easy. Please feel free to subscribe, share, and like my video. You can also comment. Thank you very much.